Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. See, this is 12th standard maths CBSE chapter 9 miscellaneous exercise 6th sum. Find the general solution of the given differential equation. Given differential equation dy by dx equal to minus root of 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. So dy by dx equal to minus root of 1 minus y square by root of 1 minus x square by variable separable method. By variable separable method dy by root of 1 square minus y square by variable separable method, because dy and dx should be in the numerator. Dy by root of 1 minus y square equal to minus dx by root of 1 square minus x square. You know the formula, integral formula, what is that? Integral dx by root of a square minus x square equal to sine inverse of x by a plus c. Sine inverse of x by a plus c, integrating on both the sides. So dy by root of 1 minus y square. In the place of a, 1 is there, and in the place of x, y is there. So what is the value we are getting? Sine inverse of y by 1 equal to minus sine inverse of x by 1 plus c. Sine inverse of y by 1 equal to minus sine inverse of x by 1 plus c. So sine inverse of y equal to minus sine inverse of x plus c. Sine inverse of y plus sine inverse of x equal to c is the general solution, is the required general solution of the given differential equation. General solution of the given differential equation. See, show 7th sum, show that the general solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus y square plus y plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0 is given by, this is the answer you have to prove, x plus y plus 1 equal to a into 1 minus x minus y minus 2xy, where a is a parameter. So you can take it as the differential equation, given differential equation dy by dx plus y square plus y plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So dy by dx equal to minus of y square plus y plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 by variable separable method dy by y square plus y plus 1 equal to minus dx by x square plus x plus 1. So you can take it as the denominator value and do it in a completing the square method. See, y square plus y plus 1. Y square plus y plus 1. What is the coefficient of y here? 1. So 1 by 2 the whole square, whatever coefficient, by 2 the whole square. So it gives y square plus y plus or minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 1. You take it as the first 3 terms. So see here, first term you can take it as y, then you can plus What is the third term? 1 by 4. What is the square root of 1 by 4? 1 by 2 the whole square. This is a plus b the whole square formula. This is the easiest way I am telling you. Y you can take and plus, and the square root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. So y plus 1 by 2 the whole square. You can take the LCM of this value, minus 1 plus 4 by 4. The value is 3 by 4. So plus 3 by 4. So it gives y plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus 3 root 3 by 2 the whole square. Root 3 by 2 the whole square. Then the same way you can take it here. X square plus x plus 1. The same value only. Both the values are same only. The same value. X coefficient is 1. So you can take it as 1 by 2 the whole square. So you got the same answer. X plus 1 by 2 the whole square. It gives x plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus root 3 by 2 the whole square. Similarly, you can get the same answer for this denominator value also, x square plus x plus 1. So now you are taking integral dy by y square plus y plus 1 equal to integral minus of dx by x square plus x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1. See here, integral dy by y plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus root 3 by 2 the whole square equal to minus integral dx by x plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus root 3 by 2 the whole square. What is the formula we can apply here? Integral dx by a square plus x square equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. See, what is the a value here? Root 3 by 2, and x value is y plus 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 3 by 2. 1 by root 3 by 2 tan inverse of x value is what? Y plus 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a equal to minus the same way you can proceed here, 1 by root 3 by 2. 1 by root 3 by 2 tan inverse of x by a. X value is x plus 1 by 2. X plus 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 plus c. Root 3 by 2 plus c. So you reciprocal that value. Root 3 by 2 you reciprocal that value. C 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 tan inverse of 2 by root 3 tan inverse of, you can take it as 2 as the LCM. So 2y plus 2. You can take 2 as the LCM. 2y plus 2 by root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 equal to minus root 3 by 2. Sorry, minus 2 by root 3. Minus 2 by root 3. You reciprocal that value. Minus 2 by root 3. The same way you can take it here, 2 as the LCM. Tan inverse of 2x plus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 plus c. Root 3 by 2 plus c. 2 get cancelled. Here also 2 get cancelled. So what is the value? 2 by root 3 tan inverse of 2 by root 3 tan inverse of 2y plus 1 by root 3. 2y plus 1 by root 3. You bring that value here. Plus 2 by root 3 tan inverse of. Plus 2 by root 3 tan inverse of 2x plus 1 by root 3 plus c. Root 3 plus c. So 2 by root 3 you can take it out. What is the value? Tan inverse of 2y plus tan inverse of 2y plus 1 by root 3, 2y plus 1 by root 3 plus tan inverse of 2x plus 1 by root 3, 2x plus 1 by root 3 plus c, tan inverse of 2y plus 1 by root 3 plus tan inverse of 2x plus 1 by root 3 plus c. See here, tan inverse of 2y plus 1 by root 3 plus tan inverse of 2x plus 1 by 2x plus 1 by root 3 equal to, you bring this value to the right hand side, it is reciprocal, root 3 by 2 into c, root 3 by 2 into c. So tan inverse of A plus tan inverse of B, tan inverse of A plus tan inverse of B, what is the formula? Tan inverse of A plus B by 1 minus AB, tan inverse of A plus B by 1 minus AB, that root 3 by 2 C you can take it as K. You can take it as K. You can assume that root 3 by 2 C equal to K. Then the equation become tan inverse of 2y plus 1 by root 3, 2y plus 1 by root 3 plus tan inverse of 2x plus 1 by root 3, 2x plus 1 by root 3 equal to K. Here you can apply tan inverse of A plus tan inverse of B. What is the formula? Tan inverse of A plus B, A plus B, A plus B by tan inverse of A plus B by 1 minus AB, tan inverse of A plus B by 1 minus AB, 2y plus 1 by root 3 into 2x plus 1 by root 3, tan inverse of A plus B equal to tan inverse of A plus tan inverse of B equal to tan inverse of A plus B by 1 minus AB equal to K, 1 minus AB equal to K. See here, tan inverse of, you can take it as the LCM as root 3 into 2y plus 1 plus 2x plus 1, 2y plus 1 plus 2x plus 1 by, you can take it as the LCM, root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 minus root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 2y. 2y plus 1 into 2x plus 1 whole divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. It's equal to K. So tan inverse of, you can reciprocal that value, 2y plus 2x plus 2 by 2y plus 2x plus 2 by root 3 into, you can reciprocal that value, because it is in division, you can reciprocal that value, 3 minus, you can multiply inside that value, 2y into 2x, 4xy, 2y into 2x, 4xy plus 2y plus 2y plus 2x plus 1 plus 2y plus 2x plus 1 3, root 3, 3. So the value become root 3. So the value become root 3 because the 3 become, you can write as what? Root 3 into root 3. So you can cancel one root 3, you are getting the value root 3 equal to k, equal to k. So here see tan inverse of root 3 into tan inverse of root 3 into 2 is common, or you will write root 3 into 2y plus 2x plus 2 divided by 3 minus, you can bring that minus inside, 3 minus 4xy minus 2y minus 2x minus 1 equal to k. You bring the tan inverse to the right hand side, it becomes tan k. So root 3, 2 is common, you can take it out. So 2 root 3 into y plus x plus 1 by 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 1 is 2 minus 4xy minus 2y minus 2x equal to tan k, So 2 root 3 into, you can write it in a proper way, x plus y plus 1 divided by, here also 2 is common, you can take it out. So 2 you can take it out, what is the remaining value? 1 minus 2xy minus y minus x equal to tan k. So 2 get cancelled. See, root 3 into x plus y plus 1 equal to tan k into 1 minus 2xy minus y minus x. So what is the result they have given? X plus y plus 1 equal to a into, so you bring that root 3 there, so x plus y plus 1 equal to 1 by root 3 tan k, 1 by root 3 tan k into, you write it in a proper way, 1 minus x minus y minus 2x y. So now you can assume 1 by root 3 tan k equal to a, because it is a arbitrary constant, it is a parameter, so you can assume anywhere, it is an arbitrary constant, so you can assume like this, arbitrary constant, because the proof is given in such a way, so you can take it as 1 by root 3 tan k equal to a, because it is a constant, it is a parameter, it is a arbitrary constant. So 1 by root 3 tan k equal to a, so x plus y plus 1 equal to, so you can take that value a into 1 minus x minus y minus 2xy, hence the proof. We have proved, hence the proof. See the eighth sum. Find the equation of the curve passing through the point 0, pi by 4, whose differential equation is sin x cos y dx plus cos x sin y dy equal to 0. So you can take the differential equation cos x sin y dy equal to minus, you can bring this term to the right hand side, sin x cos y into dx by variable separable method. So sin y is there, dy is there, so you bring that cos y here, so sin y by cos y into dy equal to minus, see the same way, sin x is there, dx is there, bring that cos x term, so minus sin x by cos x into dx. What is sin by cos? Tan y. So integral sin y by cos y into dy equal to minus integral, because already we separated the variables. So integration on both the sides, sin x by cos x into dx. Integral sin y by cos y is nothing but integral tan y, because sin by cos, the trigonometric value is tan. So integral tan y dy equal to minus integral tan x dx. What is the integration of tan y? Log of modulus of secant y. Log of modulus of secant y equal to minus log of modulus of secant x. Both the side log is there, so you can put log of mod c. Log of mod c. So log of modulus of secant y plus log of modulus of secant x equal to log of mod c, that is log m plus log n equal to log mn. So log of modulus of log m plus log n equal to log mn. Log of modulus of secant y into secant x. Secant y into secant x equal to log of modulus of c. Taking anti-log on both the sides or raising the power e on both the sides. So secant y into secant x equal to c. Then passing through the point. What is given? Passing through the point. Passing through the point 0 comma pi by 4. Passing through the point 0 comma pi by 4. You can substitute the value for x and y. Secant pi by 4 into secant 0 equal to c. What is the value of secant pi by 4? Cos inverse 45 degree. Root 2 into secant 0 value is 1 equal to c. C equal to root 2. C equal to root 2. So you can substitute in the general equation. What is the general equation? Secant y. You can take it as this equation as 1 and substitute that c value to root 2 in 1. Secant y into secant x equal to root 2. Secant y into secant x equal to root 2. See here, secant y. Secant y equal to root 2 by secant x. Secant y equal to root 2 by secant x. What is secant y? 1 by cos y. 1 by cos y equal to root 2 by 1 by secant x is nothing but what? 1 by secant is nothing but cos x. 1 by secant is cos x. 1 by secant is nothing but cos x. Reciprocal that value, that is cos y equal to 1 by root 2 into cos x. 1 by root 2 into cos x. So cos y equal to 1 by cos is secant x by root 2. Secant x by root 2 is the required equation of the curve, is the required equation, of the curve, So cos y equal to secant x by root 2 is the required equation of the curve. I hope you understood, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.